Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. So we do have some goodies from Elfin here. So let's unbag them together. We have 2 packs of their crochet human hair. And this is the ever popular Burmese curly hair. This is how it looks outside of the pack. And this is how it's packaged. Love the rings that they keep them on. Easy to access. And this is how one strand looks. All right. And it does have that thread connectivity in the middle, and that is game changing. So they also sent over a lot of information, so you will be fully knowledgeable as to everything concerning the hair in these packets. We have wig caps, which you will not need for today's look. There's a satin bonnet and a edge comb, and of course your crochet tool. So let's get started on my client. So for today's look, I am doing one of the newest, most popular, most trendy braiding styles. Yes, that's out there right now, called the miracle knots. Yes, so we're actually doing mini braids and attaching the human hair, crochet hair to these mini braids to create that look. All right, and we are using actually also the newest, most popular, very trendy crochet hair on the market. Yeah, the curl pattern, which is the Burmese curly hair. All right, so I'm super duper excited. So to start off the process, you are just making braids using her very own natural hair. You're just creating braids, and I would say that these braids are maybe small to medium sized. Yes, those boxes, and you can do them whatever size you so choose, but you have to do them using her natural hair for this particular look. So because I'm not adding any braiding hair to braid her hair with, you want to make sure that the braids are firm enough and that you braid them all the way to the end, since you're going to be attaching the crochet hair to her actual hair. All right, so we're finishing up the process. And guys, a little bit about the hair. Again, the hair is from Elfin Hair, and it is their Burmese curly human hair crochet. Yes, and this is with the micro ring loop, which is actually that thread connectivity in the middle of the hair. So now let's get going. I'm inserting a crochet tool at the base of the braid, attaching the hair, pull it through. Then while the tool is still connected, I attach the hair once more and pull that through the loop and slide it to tighten, and that is as easy as the process is, guys. And I'm actually going towards the ends of her braid, doing the same process, pulling it through, attaching, closing the latch hook, pulling that through the loop just to create a slip knot. And that is pretty much how easy this style is, guys. So that's the first braid. I attached 2 pieces of braid to those ones in the back, but in the front, guys, you're going to realize that I started to add a little bit more here in the front just to give it more volume. So the style is starting to come together, and I'm pretty pleased with how it looks, guys. The Burmese curl, look at how nice and unique. This curl pattern, I've never seen this anywhere. Yes, it is just this unique curl pattern that is just amazing and natural looking. So yeah, we're continuing the process, but I was just wanting to mention that the number of braids that I did over her entire head, because guys, I've gotten this question many times before. How many braids? How many braids? I'm not usually in the habit of counting the braids, but I did that today for you guys. So I did 69 braids when I counted them, and I did use every last piece of those crochet hairs, guys. So yeah, definitely if you want the similar volume, go ahead and get you 2 bundles or 2 packs. If you want the hair bigger, of course you can go ahead and order a 3rd pack, but I believe that you'll need at least 2, yes, for this look. Even if you're not using the 2 full packs, then 1 pack I don't think would be enough for the look. All right, so now guys, you can see me attaching the hair on this particular braid. I am attaching my 3rd piece of curly hair. So by this point, I'm starting to add more than 2 pieces of the curls to each of her braids. So this one, I'm adding 1 right at the base, and you want to go as close to the base as possible. Yes, and make sure that you secure it nicely. Then I go ahead and towards the middle of the braid, I do add a 2nd piece repeat the process, pull it through, and again towards the end. And this will give you the nice volume and create that illusion as if she has a full head of weave. Okay, nice, easy, quick, lightweight, and not to mention versatile. Okay, because this is literally done on her hair. So guys, I am all done with the installation, and this is how the hair looks before it is touched in any form, shape, or fashion. This is just the hair in its natural state. It is super duper fluffy and natural looking. You can wear the hair this way if you so choose. However, I'm going ahead and wetting the hair down to show you guys the versatility, to show you guys the options. If you didn't want to keep it in that big natural state, you can define the curls a bit more and get a different result. So just a little water and some mousse did the trick, yes, for this transformed look. And guys, this is how it turned out, and guys, I love it. It's giving a weave look, it's giving a boho braid look, it's just giving so many different things depending on what distance you look at the style from and what angle you look at it from. So guys, yeah, we have the middle part option, which is what she requested for today. But of course, you know, we can't just leave it with the middle part only. Of course, we have to show you guys the versatility of the hair. And so this is how it would look if she decide to wear it as a side part. You do have the option to flip it either side, and yeah, you can also do a quick updo if you so choose, because why not? So kudos to Elfin hair on this Burmese curly hair. Again, it's 18 inches long, 2 packs, and I will definitely leave all the links down below for you guys for the hair, as well as a discount code, because you guys know I've got you like that, right? I do, I really do. Thank you guys for watching, and I definitely will catch you on my next video. Stay tuned for a few more videos relating to this hair. Yeah, a couple shorts are on the way. And of course, we have to put her by the wall of fame. So this is just another angle. Take care, walk good, and we will talk on our next one. Bye.